One of the busiest types of jobs in this weather is driving a tow truck.
Yeah, that's right. David Kaplan spoke with a State College tow truck company owner about what they say that they see, or rather causes these accidents, and how you can avoid needing a tow.
That's right, Amanda. A State College tow truck company owner tells me this wet slush we've been getting has been making it hard for drivers to stay on the road. John Tennis has owned John Tennis Towing in State College for 40 years. He says in these harsh winter conditions, the most common reason drivers call for a tow is because they crash while they're distracted.
Along with paying attention to the roadways, they're also paying attention to other things, cell phones and just other stuff going on. And that's a big concern of us.
Tow truck drivers are considered first responders and are included in the Move Over, Slow Down law. So you need to show them the same courtesy as an ambulance or police car when you drive by an accident.
Whenever you're approaching an emergency vehicle along the side of the roadway, you're supposed to be slowing down and, if possible, move into the other lane if you're, let's say, on a freeway or a highway.
If you do crash or break down in weather like this, it's important to have water, a blanket, and a cell phone charger in case the tow truck is delayed.
In these conditions, it sometimes takes us a long time to respond, so you do need to be ready. If you do run into a problem, you might be there for a long period of time just before your help might show up.
The speed has been lowered to 45 miles per hour on Highway 322 westbound between 28th Division Highway near Lewistown and the Innovation Park Penn State University exit in State College. Now, also according to 511, there's a crash on Highway 144 between Thomas Hill Road and Devil's Elbow Road near Yarnell. All lanes there are closed. In State College, David Kaplan, WTAJ News.